In this video, we will create markers and measure the distance in an image to a list of other markers. Markers have already been used in the image processing, region growing example for defining the starting point of the region growing algorithm. We now want to calculate the distance between markers using an X marker list. Add a local image and a View 2D module to your workspace. Add an X marker list container and a View 2D marker editor module. Change the instance names of the modules to red marker list and red marker. Change color of the View 2D marker editor to red. On General tab of the module, you can see that new markers are created by pressing the left mouse button, button 1. Copy the marker modules and paste them. Change the instance names of the modules to green marker list and green marker and change color to green. Change button to button 2. These markers are created by pressing the middle mouse button. Also change maximum size to 1 and overflow mode to remove all because only one green marker shall be available at the same time. Create some red markers by using your left mouse button. You can also create them on different slices. Add one green marker by using the middle mouse button. In order to calculate the minimum and maximum distance of the green marker to all the red markers, we need a distance from X marker list module. Connect it to the red marker list so that all red markers are known for calculation. Draw a parameter connection from the green marker list position to the position of the distance from X marker list. If you calculate the distance, the calculated values are shown in the panel. In order to execute the calculation automatically whenever a new green marker has been created, draw another parameter connection from the currently busy field of the green marker to the calculate distance field of the distance from X marker list module. Whenever creating a new green marker, the distances are calculated automatically. For further information, please have a look at www.MeVisLab.de.